How to fix Facebook Messenger loading. First thing, go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it, and make sure that the Wi-Fi that you are connected to is working very well, because the problem is from the Wi-Fi. And then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the apps, open the apps manager, wait a few seconds, scroll until you find the messenger, and then click on it exactly like that. Click on force stop, and then go to storage, click on clear data and delete. And that's it. Restart your phone, reopen messenger. Don't forget to like, subscribe.